This tutorial will review how to search the library's collections for books, articles, videos, and more, and how to use the tools on a results page. Type your search terms into the Search All Collections box on the library's homepage. Then tap the Enter key or click the magnifying glass icon to run the search. There will be a prompt at the top of your results page asking you to sign in. Sign in with your GTC email address and password. This will allow you to access the full text of articles and ebooks, add items to your favorites, save your searches, save your search history and search terms, and manage your library account. Your result list will display items in the library's physical collection, as well as ebooks, articles, videos, and other content from all of our databases. To narrow down your result list, use the options in the menu on the left. If an item is from one of our databases, it will have an available online link. Click on those words, then click on one of the database links listed under Full Text Availability to access the full text. If you do not sign into your result list with your GTC email address and password, you will be prompted to do so before the full text will display. If an item is on the shelf at one of our physical locations, it will show you the campus where it is available and give you the item's call number. If you click on those words, then scroll, you can see further details about the item and be able to browse through items that are next to it on the library shelf. All items on your result list will have icons in the upper right-hand corner of their entry. These allow you to email items to yourself, find a permalink or stable link for the item, and add the item to your favorites. If you would like to save this entire search to your favorites, click Search Query at the top of your result list. To view your favorites, click the pushpin icon at the top of the page. This will display a list of items you have added to your favorites, your saved searches, and your search history. If you want to see an overview of your library account, click on your name in the toolbar at the top. If you are on a mobile device, click on the three dots that you will see instead of your name. Select Library Card in this drop-down menu. The page that appears will display items you have checked out, items that you have requested from other campuses or colleges in the state, and other library account information. If you have questions about searching through our collections, using the tools reviewed in this tutorial, or about your library account, click Ask a Librarian in the toolbar at the top. This takes you to a page providing you with multiple ways to find help. You can search our FAQs, text us, call us, email us, or use the LibChat box on the page to speak directly with a librarian. Thanks for watching.